Shift-D to duplicate, and X to move on the X-axis. Let's create a plane. X, R, and 90 to rotate 90 degrees on the X-axis. S to scale. G, and Y to move on the Y-axis. Let's shift-select both cubes and type G and X to move on the X-axis as well. Let's turn the plane into a mirror by using a reflective material. Please watch a tutorial listed in the description to match my final render settings, as I'm using a cloned look dev HDRI setting. There is our mirror. Let's press this number button to separate the materials for the cubes, and apply blue and red colors. Select the red cube and go to shading. I'll show you how to hide this cube from showing its reflections on the mirror. I'll share the full nodes shortly. There we go. This is how we create the vampire mirror nodes in Blender. Here are the nodes. This is the end of the tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching.